And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:42 this morning. The front that came through and cooled us off is still stalled out to our south and east. What is behind it is some rain that's being fired up by an upper level low out here in the desert southwest. And I do think that the bulk of the rain today still is going to be up to our north, and that's not a good thing because, of course, they're already dealing with flash flooding in parts of central Texas, and probably they're going to be in a few more spots today. I'm not concerned about flooding here because there's just not going to be much rain. That said, I do think this stalled out front is going to kind of slowly but surely be drifting closer to us, especially tonight and during the day tomorrow, and so our rain chances will be going up. And there are models indicating that it's actually going to end up lifting back over us as a warm front on Friday, and that would lead to warmer temperatures. Not a huge warm up, but warmer than we are. Today is still going to be a cool day for sure. I think the model actually overdoing the rain a little bit this morning. I think there's only going to be some patchy drizzle around is the best way to describe it. Not everybody going to see it, but you might see a few raindrops coming down your windshield. Have to use that lowest setting on your windshield perhaps a little bit, and a few damp roads, but a very low impact overall for the morning commute. I actually think as we get into the late morning, early afternoon, I think it's going to be completely dry. There are some models hinting that we might see a touch of sun today. If you do, I still think you're going to be lucky. It didn't happen yesterday, so there's still going to be an outside chance of seeing the sun. And depending on who sees the sun, it might be a little bit warmer in some spots. But if you stay cloudy all day, you may very well just stay in the mid-60s. It just depends on how much sun can peek through those clouds. And that best chance of that's going to be early mid-afternoon. Late afternoon, I'm going to leave the chance for a couple showers in there. Not a lot, and I still think the homebound commute is going to be largely dry, but a few showers in some spots. Even the evening hours not looking particularly wet. I do think the best chance of seeing these stray showers is going to be in the lower valley because, again, that stalled out front is going to be getting a little bit closer. I think it's late tonight that the showers start to move more inland, and we get to that scattered light showers. And I do think there are going to be some scattered light showers around for tomorrow morning. So a few more wet roads in the valley tomorrow morning, but not any heavy rain. I think the heaviest rain is still probably going to be offshore. Now, tomorrow afternoon, I wouldn't rule out some pockets of heavy rain, mainly in the lower valley, but most of us just seeing light to moderate rain, and it's not going to rain all day, but off and on showers are in the forecast, even into the evening hours. Now, once we get to 10 o'clock tomorrow evening, I do think things are going to start to wind down, and it will be a little bit quieter. Today, 68, cloudy and breezy, only a 20% chance of rain, so more of us staying dry than seeing rain. A little bit warmer than yesterday, but that's still about 20 degrees below normal for this time of year. Tonight, a little bit warmer than last night, upper 50s, cloudy and breezy still, and we'll go with a 40% chance of light showers. I got to tell you, a lot of folks probably wondering about the weekend, and it's looking like a pretty wet weekend. It could be as warm as 80 degrees on Saturday. That's a possibility, but then a cold front comes in, so showers and storms are looking likely off and on throughout the day, and overall, a 90% chance of rain. And Sunday also, because it looks like the front is going to stall out just to our southeast. We might even see an area of low pressure develop along that stalled out front. And so particularly Sunday night into Monday, we're going to have to be cautious because depending on how much rain we see Saturday, the ground could be quite saturated. And so any more rain we get on Sunday, especially if it's heavy, could lead to some flooding issues. And unfortunately, more rain in the forecast on Monday. It looks like things start to back off and we start to dry out a little bit more on Tuesday, but it's looking cloudy and still pretty cool on this 7-day forecast.